Okay, go.
Yeah, Assalamualaikum. Hi. I will present Chapter 1, Introduction to Financial and Costing System. Subtopic that I will present is User and Uses of Accounting Information. What is accounting information? Accounting information system, or we call as AIS, involve the collection, storage, and processing of financial and accounting data used by internal users to report information to investors, creditors, and tax authorities. It is generally a computer-based method for tracking accounting activity in conjunction with information technology resources. And AIS combines traditional accounting practice, such as the use of generally accepted accounting principle, or we call as GAAP, with modern information technology resource. Accounting or investing purpose. Accounting information include balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. Here are some external user. The first external user are government. Government bodies of the state, especially the tax authorities, are interested in an entity's financial information for transaction and regulatory purposes. Tax are computed based on the result of operation and other tax base. In general, the state would like to know how much the taxpayer makes to determine the tax due thereon. And the second one is trading partner, or we call as shareholder. Business needs business to do business. It is the truth, which is associate trading companies look at the financial information and decide to trade with the particular economic entity. There is two of the example of external user. Here are another two of example internal users. The first one is management. Management use financial information as a guideline to plan, organize, and control their organization and analyze the performance of the business. The second one is employees. Assess the stability and profitability of their employees. Ability to provide salary and other benefits. Also, employment opportunities. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.
Okay, thank you so much, Putri Noratika Izzati. Okay, Putri, before you upload nanti, you need to change you punya the first slide ni. What is accounting information? Okay, this one is not accounting information system. Accounting Information System adalah satu subjek dalam Bachelor of Accountancy Honours. So ini bukan definition of accounting information. This is definition for accounting information system. So you confuse between accounting information and accounting information system. Sekarang you bercerita pasal sekarang ni you definition ni adalah berkaitan dengan sistem. Kita tak berkaitan dengan sistem, kita relate dengan maklumat accounting sahaja. So yang ni bukan definition untuk accounting information. Okay, maklumat perakaunan, bukan sistem maklumat perakaunan. Macam ni dia guna software. Okay, computer based method. Ini software, and then dia kena follow GAAP, MFRS semua tu lah. So yang ni bukan. Yang ni you kena tukar, you kena cari accounting information. Accounting information tu definition dia adalah basic sahaja. Maklumat accounting yang diperlukan oleh siapa-siapa. Macam like this one, accounting used by internal user to report information to investor, creditor, tax authority. Yang ni dah lebih kepada user of financial information ataupun accounting information. Itu betul, tetapi definition you yang atas tu, collecting, storage, processing financial and accounting data, dia bukan kita bukan nak buat collection data, Kita bukan nak storekan dia dan kita bukan nak proses dia. Maklumat keuangan you tu siapa nak guna? Apakah definition untuk maklumat keuangan? Maklumat keuangan yang mempunyai data-data berkaitan dengan accounting, seperti contohnya statement of financial position atau statement of profit or loss yang digunakan oleh internal dan external user seperti apa-apa. Itu contohlah. Ini Motor Accounting Information System, AIS. Siapa minat Bachelor of Accountancy, dia akan belajar mungkin satu ataupun dua subjek AIS. This one no problem, external user, pengguna yang di luar pada syarikat, external. This one is internal users. And why they need to use the accounting information atau the financial information? Because of this one lah, business need business to do business. It's kalau macam shareholders, they need information. They need the accounting information for them to check whether the company is making a profit, is making profit or not. Because they are the shareholder, so they dapatkan return. Okay, management and employees sure they want to know and they should know about the company position, whether the company is making profit or not, because it will give impact to them in terms of increment, in terms of bonus, in terms of ex gratia, in terms of medical benefit and other benefits. Okay. Thank you Putri. Before you upload dalam you punya YouTube channel, you tukar yang you punya slide pertama dahulu. Okay, thank you Putri for your presentation. Next presentation, you're welcome. Next presentation, your marks will be based on you punya number of views. Minimum 100 views for this semester. Okay, next presentation. Saradina,
saya punya dah record.
No problem, you boleh masukkan terus. Okay, let's go. You share dengan kita. Pergi ke upload button, pergi ke arrow button tu, you share you punya video you. Tapi saya tak sure.
Okay.
You share tu ada suara tak?
Ada suara.
Atau saya nak try, ada suara ke tidak? Saya tak ada suara kan?
Sebab yang SEM 2 punya itu try tak ada suara.
Tapi bila you upload dalam YouTube ada suara kan? Okay.
Upload kat YouTube dulu ke?
Tak apa, saya nak tahu dulu, kita try dulu, ada suara ke tak ada suara ni. Jom sis.
Dengar suara tak?
Tak dengar. Macam mana tak ada suara ni? Ini you record guna apa ni?
Saya record suara dekat PowerPoint. Lepas tu saya ada tambah video guna Filmora.
Okey. Cuba tengok yang record PowerPoint tu dulu. Kau you sekalikan dia.
Dengar tak?
Pun tak dengar. Tak dengar lah. Kenapa ya? Ataupun you masuk dalam YouTube ke you dah masuk dalam YouTube dah?
Tak lagi. Sekejap saya
Sekejap
try.
Cuba saya cuba YouTube saya sekejap. Boleh tak dengar ada suara? Tak ya. FMAF0013. Okey, jom saya cuba. Sekejap ya. You nampak dengar tak suara?
Tak.
Tak ya. Tapi saya dengar suara saya sendiri. Tapi tak ada. Kalau macam ni, dengar tak? Dengar tak?
Dengar?
Tak dengar juga
Semula-semula.
Dengar tak?
Saya tak dengar. Tak tahu lah kalau yang lain.
Tak dengar lagi.
Tadi yang first tu saya dengar tapi yang ni tak dengar dah.
Dengar semua je tu.
Sekarang dengar? Boleh dengar?
Tak.
Oh,
Tak.
yang mana yang mula-mula you dengar tu?
Yang dengar tadi tu mungkin yang bergema kot.
Oh, tak. So, maksud tak boleh lah you kena buat presentation juga. Maksud you kena present juga. Nanti saya tanya IT macam mana nak record. Sebabnya ada lecturer dia record kan. Dia record dalam ni dulu saya siap. Lepas tu dia present saja. Macam mana dia record dalam ni? Okey, tak apa, kita present dulu. Sementara kita mencari dia punya solution dia. Kena buat manual juga lah hari ni. Lepas tu nanti you share dekat YouTube. YouTube saya nak tengok yang you punya recording tu. Okey, jom. Okey, siapa nak start present? And boleh you present manual. Manual pula. Boleh present ni offline. Okay, jom. Boleh? Jom.
Sekejap sir.
Okay. Okay, jom. Okay, let's go. Okay, jom. Okay, jangan lupa attendance ya. Attendance untuk hari ini.
Papa,
Ya.
Papa ada dalam titik pintu. Tolong dah.
Ya.
Sini ya, sini.
Nanti.
Titik pintu.
Ustaz tahu sampai rumah ya?
Dah.
Dah cakap thank you tu Ustaz.
Tak. Tak cakap.
Kenapa?
Apa? Aku bagi jam. Tak dengar? Tak dengar apa-apa? Tak dengar apa? Tak dengar apa? Loh, tolonglah tutup pintu. Cepatlah, nanti baby masuk dah. Tolonglah.
Pintu mana?
Pintu kat situ.
Jap.
Cepat. Nanti baby nak masuk.
Boleh ya?
Keluar. Cepat.
Sekejap. Sekejap ya.
Cepat.
Okey, sir.
Okey, jom. Okay, selain daripada tu ada tak lagi Aisyah boleh present hari ni?
Boleh, sir.
Okey, jom. Sebab rasa mungkin N ada problem. So kita dah tak boleh tunggu N lagi. Okey, cuba Aisyah pula.
Sekejap,
Ha? Yes.
saya buka dia.
Tak apa, while waiting for N, cuba Aisyah tengok you punya slide pula. Cepat tak? You boleh present. Saradina ni saya rasa tak dapat masuk kelas hari ni.
Saya buka dulu ke, sir?
Cuba buka dulu tengok. Sementara kita tunggu N.
Buka. Dia pegang.
Okey, jom. Okey, naklah.
Tak, sir.
Okey.
Nampak tak, sir?
Nampak?
Saya start,
Okey. Okay.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nur Aisyah binti Sazariman, and today I want to present to you Chapter 1, Introduction to Financial Accounting and Cost Accounting. First, we go to definition of financial accounting. Financial accounting is concerned with the provision of information to users and reporting of the performance result and financial position of the business. It reports on past transactions to draw out financial statements. It keeps track of a business financial transaction, which is output are the financial statements. It provides enough information. Assessment of company's value. The financial statements are issued on a routine schedule and used by external parties monthly, which is monthly, quarterly, semi-annually and annually. The format are governed by law and accounting standard established by the Professional Accounting Policies, which is Companies Act 2016. Next, we go to the objective of financial accounting. The objective is compliance with statutory requirements, helps in the measurement of profit and loss of business, focus on external transaction of business, basis for other accounting, only financial transaction, easy to understand, safeguarding of interest of various stakeholders, presentation of historical records, periodic reporting and wide availability, meeting the objective of various stakeholders, and reliability and relevance. The component of financial statements are Statement of Profit or Loss (SOPL), Statement of Financial Position (SOFP), Statement of Changes in Equity, Statement of Cash Flow, and Notes to the account. Next, we go to the definition of cost accounting. Cost accounting is concerned with the accumulation of accounting information for a company's internal users such as managers and supervisors in order to help run the business more efficient and effective. cost accounting is defined by the Chartered Institute of Management Accountants (CIMA) as the application of accounting costing principles, method and technique in the ascertainment of or control of cost and the analysis of savings and or excess as compared with previous experience or standard. There are two types of cost accounting systems. There are non-integrated accounting system, the accounting system in which separate set of books is maintained for cost information. Integrated accounting system, the accounting system in which cost and financial data are maintained in a single set of books. The main aim of cost accounting is to track the cost of production and fixed cost of the company. The information is useful in reducing and controlling various costs. It is very similar to financial accounting, but it is not reported at the end of financial year. Next, we go to difference between financial accounting and cost. Type of cost in use for recording. For the financial accounting, both historical and predetermined cost, and for the cost is only historical cost. For the user, financial is information provided by the cost accounting is used only by the internal management of the organization like employees, directors, manager and supervisor. For the cost, user of information provided by the financial accounting are internal and external parties like creditors, shareholders, customers. Valuation of stock for the financial, we use at cost, and for the cost or net realizable value, whichever is less. For the mandatory, for the financial is no, except for manufacturing firm it is mandatory. For the cost, yes, for all firms. For the type of reporting, for the financial is details provided by cost accounting and are frequently prepared and reported to the management. For the cost is financial statements are reported at the end of the accounting period, which is normally 1 year. For the profit analyzed, financial is generally the profit is analyzed for a particular product, job, batch or process. For the cost is income, expenditure and profit are analyzed together for a particular period of the whole entity. For the purpose, financial reducing and controlling cost, cost is keeping complete record of the financial transaction. For the forecasting is possible through budget technique for the financial, and for the cost for the forecasting is not at all possible. That's all for me. Thank you. Saya tak dengar suara saya.
Okay, sorry, thank you so much Siti Nur Aisyah. Okay, cuba tengok you punya chapter slide number 1, slide number 2. Definition of financial accounting, slide number 3. Objective of financial accounting, number 4. Component of financial statement. Okay, next. Definition of cost accounting. Okay, next. Okay, Siti Aisyah, kalau boleh in future, you jangan ambil saya punya slide presentation sangat. You boleh mixkan dia dengan info-info yang you boleh cari dekat Google. And then mungkin you boleh masukkan gambar-gambar ke sebagai contoh dalam you punya slide presentation ni. And then you boleh lebih kreatif untuk next punya slide presentation untuk next chapter ya. Okey, okey, tak ada masalah. Record dan masuk ke dalam YouTube. Nanti share you punya YouTube tu dekat our group WhatsApp ya. Okay, thank you so much. Next presentation. Saya rasa Siti Saradina ni ada problem, tak apa, nanti dia akan present next week. Okay, the last but not least, Nurul Antasha Roslan. Jom. Nurul Antasha. Jom and dengar suara tu tadi. Tapi tak kuat. Kuat.
So let's start.
Dengar, tak berapa clear. Tak berapa clear lah.
Tak clear ke sir?
Suara tak clear.
Sebab saya buka kat Telegram. Lepas tu suara tu saya guna phone. Tapi buka video yang sama, serentak.
Okay. Tak clear lah, you kena present ni lah, manual, off
Dia
on time.
bergema ke tak clear sir? Kalau
tak
bergema
clear.
tu mungkin sebab rapat.
Dia tak clear, tak kuat.
Kini saya present sendiri je.
Clear sikit. Sebab dia 5 pages, okey lah kot. Okay, jom.
Okay. Dengar sir?
Dengar?
Alright. So today I want to discuss about chapter 1 of Introduction to Financial and Costing System. User and uses of financial accounting and accounting. Jasa. Tunjuk yang digerak-gerak tu, saya cuma tekan-tekan macam ni je, alih slide.
Boleh.
Okay. Okay. Mula first. Campur-campur bahasa boleh kan, sir?
More to English lah, more to English. English. Kalau
Alright.
mix pun boleh tapi more to English.
Alright. Okay, first of user and users of financial accounting and cost accounting, there are two, which is external user and internal users. External users means financial accounting provide the internal user with financial statement. For example, lenders, shareholders, government, consumer group, external auditors and customer. Alright, for the internal user, means managerial accounting provide the information need for internal decision makers like manager, officer or editor, director, internal auditor staff, budget officer and controller. Alright, next. For users and users of accounting information, there are two, internal and external. Internal, there have business owners, company officer manager like management like marketing manager, finance manager and employees or employee unions. For external, there have two parts, which is direct interest and indirect interest. For direct interest, there have current investor or future investor, supplier and creditors, and banker or lender or borrowers. For indirect interest, there have government agency, security commission, tax authorities, inland revenue board, lembaga hasil dalam negeri. Next, there are consumer and customer, and the last is public.
Okay, cuba you tekan yang you dah record ni. Apa dengar tak suara dia? You ada buat recording kat bawah tu kan? Okay. Tak dengar lah.
Tak apalah, manual je lah.
Okay.
Okay. So this is part of user and users. Okay. End user of employee union, buat the apa yang digunakan Sen dekat users ni kan. What she do is an employee union uses financial information to ensure that their demand to the employer such as salary, increment and other benefit are reasonable compared with the company's financial ability. Alright, for lenders, bankers and borrower of user, they use access the ability to settle amount owed to them when due, like loan and interest. Okay, for the supplier and creditors, they do access ability to settle the amount owed when due and over short period or long term if the company is likely to be their permanent customer. Fourth is customer and consumer. Access the ability of the company to continue providing product and services. For government authority and agency, they use information about allocation of resources like activities of the company. Information to enable them to regulate the business activities, determine taxation policies and basis regarding national income and similar statistics. For the last one is public. They do access contribution to local economy like employment and business opportunities for local suppliers. Trend and recent development in the prosperity of the company and the range of activities and corporate social responsibility.
Corporate social responsibilities. Responsibilities.
Oh.
Corporate responsibilities. Cibilities.
The last part is there have six of ni information kan? Yang ni information punya kan?
Sama je tadi kan?
Tapi ni ada norm yang tadi pun ada norm juga. Okay. For the owners, the owner provide fund or capital of for the organisation. They possess curiosity in knowing whether the business is being conducted on sound lines or not, and whether the capital is being employed properly or not. Owners, being businessmen, always keep an eye on the returns from the investment. Comparing the account of various years help in getting good piece of information. Next is management. Means the management of the business is greatly interested in knowing the position of the firm. The account are the basis. The management can study the merit and demerit of the business activity. Thus, the management is interested in financial accounting to find whether the business carry on his profitable or not. There is employees. Payment of bonus depend on size of profit earned by the firm. Jangan saya kata tadi. Apa? Sabar lah tengok freezer. Okay, sorry sir. That's someone.
Okay.
The demand for wage rise, bonus, better working condition, like depend upon the profitability of the firm, and in turn depend upon financial position. For this reason, this group is interested in accounting. Okay, for investors, the prospective investor who want to invest their money is a firm, of course, wish to see the progress and prosperity before investing their amount by going through financial statement of the this is to safeguard the investment. For this is eager to go through the accounting, which enables them to know the safety of investment. Next is government. Government keep a close on the firm which get good profit. The state and central government are interested in the financial statement to know the earning for purpose of taxation. The last one is creditor. Creditors are the person who supply goods on credit, or banker or lender of money. It is usual that this group are interested to know the financial soundness before granting credit. The progress and prosperity of the firm to which credit and extended are largely watched by creditors from the point of view of security and future credit. Profit and loss account and balance sheet are nerve centers to know the soundness of the firm. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching.
You are welcome. And ni seperti membaca ya. Seperti membaca saja. Nanti kena improve you punya presentation because you baca sahaja. You kena explain jugalah you punya ni ya. Okay, thank you so much. Nanti semua upload dalam you punya YouTube channel. And then you could ada...
Slide tu okey dah ke?
Okay, tak ada masalah. Okay, slide tu tak ada masalah pun. And then you punya point pun tak ada masalah. Cuma cara you penyampaian tu kan. Nanti bila you record, you explain sikit-sikit juga.
Okey, sir.
Oh, ni siapa ni? Dekat ni. Okay, baik. Saradina Afisena. Okay. Saradina pergi hospital. Ada seorang staff melawat siapa ni? Kan? Okay, thank you so much. Kita jumpa minggu depan on Wednesday ya. Jangan lupa you upload dalam you punya YouTube channel. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. See you then. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Hi, sir.
You're welcome.